When you're 10, 11, 12, 13, having a superstar in your mind, like a superstar in the same room as you.
Éamonn Ryan with it, Éamonn Ryan with the ball coming up the field. He tackled and post, deliberately fouled there.
Some fellas would be close to a tear or two, like the way he spoke to us, you know. But it was always calm in one way, but really tugging at your heartstrings in the other way.
Nuair a luta anam Éamonn Ryan bhí sé cosúla Messiah.
He could kind of transmit his own kind of infectious passion into you, and that could be on the pitch, that could be in the classroom.
Squeanlam go Joe, like Dane of Shakespeare, sa bhunscoil leis. Pure classical, like bhí sé ahead of the times really, you know.
He made our sporting careers, like, without a doubt.
Éamonn never treated us any differently. It was like we were players, not female players. We were athletes, not female athletes. We weren't degraded or felt lesser because of our gender.
He really helped me, you know, personally, in his own really astute way. He supported us and helped us hugely.
Is cuilam ag soccer Éamonn, bhí fógrán, agus méad a bhí scríte an fógra ná, farewell to the Máistir. A good coach can change a game, a great coach can change a life.